Hi, this is Professor Jeremiah and Coach Krystal with Odyssey Martial Arts Spring, and we're breaking down a video for the kids escape. So the first one is going to be the framed guard from side control. It's a classic. Demonstrate. And then break down the details. So, step one, I have to make sure I find frame so that my forearm is in her neck and my other hand is this praying mantis hand blocking her bicep. I have my frames. I can use one leg or two to do a directional bridge up and into her, head connected to the ground. Then I hip escape. It may be one hip escape, it may be 8 hip escapes. It depends on how much space I make. As I hip escape away, I can step my top foot over, connected to the mat, pull my leg through, and then I'm going to find my closed guard. I can find any guard, but closed guard in the beginning is a position that all the kids and adults know, so we can successfully defend ourselves and then attack from here. Frame to guard, side control escape.